Warning, the following video contains some mild violence. No one in the video was harmed in any way, shape, or form. It was all for the purpose of comical amuse. Please don't try anything of this sort at home.
3 and 2, 1, go. Whoa. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12 seconds, 13 seconds, 14 seconds, 15 seconds, plus 17 seconds. It's a DNF. It's a DNF. It's a DNF. It's a DNF. No! Give me the cube. It is a DNF. No. No. DNF. DNF for overtime. DNF. DNF. Give me the square one. Give me it. Don't go outside.
What are you doing?
You ran outside. I'm taking your camera as a punishment. It's a DNF.
What the heck were you doing?
You got DNF.
I started the
You
time.
got DNF. You went over.
Do you not know what you're doing? You're the
You went way
stupidest
over
judge
17
ever.
You went way over.
Okay, so once I start this time, you're going to have 15 seconds of inspection. So, are you ready?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. You have 8 seconds that you've gone through already. 12 seconds that you've gone through.
Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Start your solve!
What did you do?
Start!
Why'd you?
Come on, just go!
Ah!
What the heck?
Did you not read the regs?
What are you talking about? I did read the regulations. That's
Just
not.
do your solve.
That's not how it's supposed to go.
Okay, so you got a 17.62 seconds.
What kind of a judge are you? Why'd you do that?
Did you not read the regulations?
From what? 2005?
They never changed it since then.
Yes, they did.
Are you some sort of lunatic or something? You have no
Stickless
idea.
cubes are acceptable now.
There's no such thing as a stickless cube. What do you know what you're talking about? You need stickers or it'll be black. Next competitor.
I still have 4 more solves. Can I have a new judge, please? Is that possible?
I'm sorry.
Can I have a new judge, please?
I'm sorry. I'm the delegate.
What? All right. So you're here to do 7x7, right?
Yeah, whatever the one that has a bunch of stickers on it. Yeah. I want to try that one first.
Okay. All right. So yeah, 15 seconds for inspection.
Wait. How do you actually solve them? I've never tried it before. I just wanted to try it like one time.
Have you ever solved a 3x3?
What's a 3x3? I just wanted the Rubik's Cube with a bunch of colorful stickers. I like that one. Well, one time I disassembled it and I put them together and it was right.
Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. So I'm gonna take that bag off of it, right? Okay, you get me, right? And I'm gonna use this stopwatch, and you have 15 seconds to just look at it. Don't turn anything, and then you put your hands here, and you let go, and you grab the cube, and you start trying to solve. No, not yet.
No.
You wait till I say you.
Why is there no numbers on here?
Because it's not on.
Oh, I did it, the world record. 0 seconds.
It hasn't started.
Okay.
All
I think I know how to do it now.
Okay. Oh,
Thanks.
all right. Good.
High five.
5.
Thanks.
Okay, so we're gonna just get started here. Let me pull up the stopwatch. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go now. I'm so excited.
Okay. 3.
Come on.
2.
I want to go now.
No, you're supposed to. You're supposed to inspect.
This is so fun. It's so fun.
Okay.
So fun. Wait. I need to ask you a question.
What? Hey, sir. You, That's not how you. Okay.
I'm trying it. I'm good at it.
Okay, look.
I can do this.
No.
Are you recording me?
You put that there.
It's not mine.
But I watched you put that.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I wanted to see me try to do this because I'm good at it.
Do you need any help?
Oh, I got the 2 stickers together.
Okay, now what you want to do?
Wait, and I ask you a question. Can you answer me my question?
Yeah. So you. Okay, look. Stop moving.
Oh, these 2. I did it.
No. No. Look. Okay. So what you?
No, I can do it. Go away. I can do this.
I'm supposed to be here.
I don't need your help. I don't need your help. I did it! I did it! I did it one side! I did one side!
Well, I was sleeping. What happened?
I did one side! I had to start this timer over like 100 times. Is that okay? 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Now, wait a second. Let's see what the schedule. The competition finished like 5 hours ago.
Yeah, like everyone left. Is that okay? I mean, like they packed everything up and left. And I just kept doing this because I thought I was supposed to. But this kept like turning off, so I kept starting it again.
Sure.
You wrote my time down? Did I win?
No, you still have 2 more solves to do.
What?
Yeah. You have like 2 more solves. You know that, right? That's how it works.
No. I just want to do one and then be the winner.
That's not how it works.
Okay, then I get my next solve. I'm ready.
But it's not done.
I did the side. Look, I did the entire blue side.
No, you have to solve the whole cube.
How do you do the other
These
ones?
are
This is
even
the best
wrong.
part. No, this is right. Look. It looks all right.
No, those aren't even right. They're not the right.
I did it. Stop arguing me. I know how to solve this.
Then why isn't it solved?
No, this part is not supposed to be solved. It's just one side supposed to.
I quit.
But wait, what about my other 2 solves?
Do them yourself.
But I need you to write them down. I want to be a winner. Did I win the competition?
No.
Why not?
Cause you didn't solve it.
Yes, I did. I'm the winner.
Goodbye.
But you need to scramble my cube.
I said goodbye, sir.
He's so mean. I wanted to be a
Good job, Nathaniel. Nice one. That's so good.
Go.
Wait.
Go.
But
Go.
inspection.
Go.
Hey.
Go.
No.
So what cube is that? What's that color? Can I see that one? Wait. Can I try?
Hey. No. Wait.
Oh, I like
Hey,
it.
give me it.
Look, this is my cube. Wait, can we see what they are? Let's compare them.
I don't care.
Let's compare them.
Oh God. Stop.
Come on, let's compare them. Oh, look. Let's do solves together. Look. Oh, I solved. Solve.
I don't care.
Why are you so mean? I just want to show you how I can solve it. Wait, I want to try. You're so... Stop. Give me. I want to try. Come on. I can't. Ow. You hurt me. You're so mean. Why can't you let me try your cube? Finished. Hey.
You look at the way you put the spin on that ball. I'm ready.
What happened? Hey! You hurt me!
I'm about to beat you. But again. No, you're doing it wrong. No, that's the wrong
Can you
Pete.
stop? I'm
No.
doing 4x4 blindfolded.
No, that's the wrong Pete. No, look. No.
Stop!
No, that's.
I was about to get a world record.
No, you're not. You're like, no.
Do you not know what this is? Hey, I can't even see. Stop! Ah! Stop! Oh my gosh.
Sit. I said sit. Sit. You're not allowed to leave the table.
Yeah! Wait.
No, you didn't.
See, look what you did! You made me get a DNF! That was a sub-1. That's never happened before.
You weren't even close.
What were you doing?
What? Two people in one day. Pushing my limits. Tired of this. Same person too. I'm suing you.
Oh, someone help me! Oh my gosh. There's something wrong!
Stay out of my competition. Two people one day. Same person too.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!